Want to erase the current content and settings on your iPhone? Here's how. We'll teach you how to erase your content directly from your iPhone in Settings and how to erase it using your computer. Before you start, make sure you have an iCloud backup or a backup saved on your computer. A factory reset erases all of your data on your iPhone, so you will need a backup if you want to save your content or settings, or transfer them to a new device. You'll also want to have your Apple account login details handy. First, we'll show you how to erase your content directly from your iPhone, so you can restore it to factory settings. In Settings, tap General. Then scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue. If you have an eSIM, you can choose to erase your eSIM or keep it. You may need to erase your eSIM if you transferred the eSIM's data plan or phone number to another device, or if you're going to sell, trade in, or give away your device. If you do decide to erase your eSIM, you need to contact your network provider to reactivate your mobile plan. We're going to delete our eSIM and erase the device. Then enter your passcode. If you have screen time enabled, you will also be prompted to enter your screen time passcode. Now, wait for your backup to finish. Next, enter your Apple account password. Then tap Turn Off in the top right-hand corner of your screen. This will remove Activation Lock from your device. Now, wait for your iPhone to erase. This may take a moment or two. When the process is finished, the Hello screen will appear. You can also erase your iPhone using a Mac or PC. If you're using macOS Catalina or later, you'll use the Finder. If you're using a PC, open the Apple Devices app. If your PC doesn't have the Apple Devices app, or your Mac is using macOS Mojave or earlier, open iTunes instead. First, you'll need to turn off Find My on your iPhone. You won't be able to restore it until you do this. In Settings, tap your name. Tap Find My, tap Find My iPhone, and tap to turn off Find My iPhone. When prompted, enter your Apple account password and tap Turn Off in the top right-hand corner of your screen to confirm. Next, connect your iPhone to your computer. You may be prompted to click Allow in order to finish connecting your iPhone. Now open the Finder, Apple Devices or iTunes. Then select your device in the sidebar in the Finder or Apple Devices app or the top left-hand corner in iTunes. To allow your computer to access your iPhone, click Trust. Now, tap Trust on your iPhone to continue. Then enter your passcode on your iPhone and click Restore iPhone on your Mac. Next, you'll erase all content and settings from your iPhone. So make sure you have an iCloud backup or a backup on your computer. That way, you can retrieve your data later. Click Backup if you need to make a backup, or click Don't Backup to continue without making one. Click Restore to confirm, then wait for your computer to install the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. Your device will restart, and after a moment or two, the Hello screen will appear. And that's how to erase your iPhone. To find out more about your Apple devices, subscribe to this channel, or click another video to keep watching. Some sequences in this video were shortened.